This BMC Helix Control-M video will demonstrate how to install an agent on Linux and connect it to your environment. After logging into Control-M, go to the configuration domain. From there, select the Install Agent link. Select your target operating system from the displayed list. We will select Red Hat Linux for this demo. The required steps to install an agent are displayed. First, we copy the curl command to download the agent installation software, by clicking that link. Now we switch to the Linux terminal window, where we're logged in with a new user account that was added for this agent install. We paste the curl command here and hit enter. This starts the download of the software. Switching back to the browser window, we can either select an existing token or create a new one for this agent. For this video we will create a new token, so we select that option. Then we enter a name for the new token and click the Generate Token button. We then need to copy the token key for later use during the installation. After the download is complete, we use the chmod +x command to add execute permissions for the installer. Now we can run the installer, as shown. We enter Y to start the installation, after which the settings page is shown. Here we can specify a name for this agent. Note that this can be any name that uniquely identifies this agent to you, and does not need to be the same as the tag name. Then we need to enter the token we copied from the browser. After this, we can select Next to start the installation. The installer runs, and when it is finished, the agent will have been started, and already connected to your environment. The agent will be running, and is ready to execute your jobs. That concludes this BMC Helix Control-M Solutions video. Please see our YouTube channel for more videos like this.